Yo, what's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco, back with another banger reaction. Yeah, man, people say what I do today, man. We're there with another mad reaction, man. We're there with none other than the man himself. Just the other day, we reacted to his new song, Not a Clone. Now, the dog, they're back here with Nah Left Game. You see me? Everybody is saying that Not a Clone, the dog, this cartel, wicked. You see me, dog, style up the world boss, man, and thing. You see me, and say, no, dog, they with Nah Left Game. So, everybody say, Alkaline, want war. You see me, Alkaline want fly somebody back. You see me? Yeah, man, you know, Alkaline drop too often, but this year, dog, look like the dog back, dog, and dog drop often as possible. You see me, dog, they back panic for 2024. So, I check it out and see what dog I do. We don't go all over very much, can go, I jump right in. Shock. It's a Alka, Nah Left Game. Big up Blu-ray for the request. Let's get it, gang.
Hey! Well, I'm no about we. Oh, them a talk so much thing about we. Oh, them a talk up so much thing about we.
How that? Who voice know that? Yo! How they know? You don't talk so much things about that. Where they know from?
Them know about background. But them know about our bloodline. But them know about our lineage. But them know where we come from.
Facts, what they know about we? Eh? No nothing about we if you can't talk up. No. Hey, what?
Yeah? Oh, not talk so much about we.
When them cuss, when them want complain. One of them pressure coming down again.
Yeah, man. Me then go and cuss, me then go and complain, bro. Then, no matter how they do, they can't get your dog not the game, man. Dog not leaving the game. Dog say now warning to cartel and massacre. All now go on, me not left the game, brother. Me come here, alright.
One of them pressure coming down again. Stress can't get me off of your brain. Take it detour apart from the name. Then quarry and them body.
Stress can't get you off of your brain, brother. Take it detour, come off of my name, brother. Take it detour. You see me come off of my name, brother.
No, they want to see Nah Left Game. Body and then quarry. No, they want to Nah Left Game. The rod and chest so high. Never want to be up on a cable guy. 3 point like them all cry. Set slow down where fly and fly.
Woohoo! No, that was a different flow. That's my video now. That I give video. And come in mad flow and that we like to see Alka. That's what the people like to see Alka with the roll upon the wrist, brother, and the goal. I'm to them.
3 point like them all cry. Set slow down where fly and fly. No, them a must have take jumps. I see wrong with them a chip on the cannon jump style. Step ahead of them a years and months back.
Come like sitting wrong with them, either them drunk or sitting lick them head dog or walk go on. Cause I don't know what them a thing. They feel like I left this.
Ingredient what it mean. But then cause when they want complain. One of them pressure coming out of the game. Just can't get we off of your brain. Take it detour apart from the name. Then quarry and them body. No, they want to see Nah Left Game.
Them falling and them balling. Thing they nasty. They nasty we left the game around here.
And then quarry. No, they want to see Nah Left Game. Like you see about it, do not ask, not doubt it, can't do none without me. Me just a Josie clumsy and so lousy, see me fire the OT. I'm predicting my style and the way.
No matter how you go around, you can't do without the J. Aren't you? Dog and pretty and him feel on the need. Hey!
Tony, they are what I make you think work as a roadie. Once you go back to send a play emoji, say me woulda go easy, I watch you problem way up, you can't believe them, yo. No.
They want me go back, brother, no say that now word. They wanna love see me down and I send prayer emoji and them thing there. Move up.
Tell her no way, Tony. They are what I make you think work as a roadie. Once you go back to send a play emoji, say me woulda go.
They want to see me go back so they can send a prayer emoji. So they can say, yo, me da move.
Easy, I watch you problem way up, you can't believe them, yo. No, them a must have take jumps. I see wrong with them, I chip on the cannon jump style.
Yeah, man. I want to them must have take drugs. I seen wrong them, then chip, lick on them junk star. If you feel like me, I left the game. I want to know.
Step ahead of them, I use some months for ingredient what it mean. Who they go to, they want complain. One of them pressure coming down again. Just can't get we off of your brain.
Alka have fun. Look like Alka finally having fun in dancehall, bro. Look at this nigga finally having fun.
Take it detour apart from the name. Then quarrying and them balling. No, they want to see Nah Left Game. Balling and then quarrying. No, they want to see Nah Left Game. Who they go to, they want complain. One of them pressure coming down Left Game. Just can't get we off of your
Just can't get we off our brain, brother. I'm to you, man.
brain. Take it detour apart from the name. Then quarrying and them balling. No, know they want see. Now if you game, ballin' and then quality, know they want see. Now if you game.
I want to man now left bro, man I couldn't know I want to no sitting around with him. He don't know that sitting around with head and a chip lick on the junk. Something I go on. He likes me left. It's crazy. Yeah man. The man himself. I don't know Alka back and a banger. Yeah man, I know so Vendetta I love this. You know Vendetta I love this bad man. This nice. You see me and say Alka look like he having fun this year. You see me and say man look like man have fun this year in a game man. I see that song man I look more relaxed and more. Still I drop a bad lyrics and them thing, but look like he have fun. I enjoy himself this time. Fine. You see me? Big up to Alka man. Yeah man gang, that Alkaline with not left a game. I had to drop this reaction before I went to work. You see me, I said I need to listen again. I know I didn't get the full thing the first time, so I need to go listen to that shit again. But it's a vibe. And it's Alka. Alka always doing them thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Real dope track, guys. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, man. Or who say Vendetta? You see me? Let me know what I go on, man. Or who I bring Alka. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Because I know we have some loyal Alkaline fans over here. Saying, there's some loyal Vendetta fans over here. You know, so. Let me know anything with that one, gang. Let's chop it up. Let's talk about it. You already know what time it is. Definitely send me the request. Remember, join the Discord. Link in the description is fixed. Yeah, man. I'm just going to drop a link to a Telegram group soon so we can start over there. If you don't know, gang. Yeah, man. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector.